Composite Door Lock Nesting Center KHM-680. Traditional do-lock process requires multi-machines to finish the work. See how the KHM-680 redefined the door lock machining. All-in-one power, engineered exclusively for door panel craftsmanship. Diverse crafts, one seamless cycle. It masters the complete door machining, including lock systems, peepholes, guide rails, hinges, and surface profiling, all in a single and integrated operation. Features a built-in sawing system for squaring and sizing all four edges of the door leaf, ensuring stable and precise processing. The 90-degree rotating head enables versatile vertical and horizontal cuts, with multiple modes for instant adaptation to any task. Two powered spindles with 90-degree rotation work in tandem, enabling effortless switching to handle any required process on any side of the door. Master any detail, ensure every perfection. The KHM-680 handles everything from precise hinges to complex lock holes with unwavering accuracy, guaranteeing flawless quality in every process. The ATC spindle and 12-station magazine ensure rapid, precise changes to handle any door surface craft, drastically cutting down your machining time. Auto feed, auto clean, minimize manual intervention, and maintain an uninterrupted machining process. The KHM-680 consolidates multiple processes into one intelligent system. Unmatched precision and efficiency, fully under your control.